What is up, people? Y'all know what it is. Right now, I got the mount on. I am adjusting some stuff right now. There's the other one. So they're trying to get some stuff figured out real quick. Y'all know what it is. It's October 30th, and we're gonna do some hood rat stuff today. Of course, some of you may not know, but I went ahead and ordered my helmet cover from Motoloot. I'll leave a description at the bottom so that way you can go check out their website. They got a lot of cool gear, guys. A lot of cool helmets. Like just a lot of cool things. You know what I'm saying? So you can go ahead and check it out. I personally like it. We'll be shopping with them later on in the future for more gear and everything else. But since October is here, and first thing I decided to grab was the helmet. Went ahead and grabbed it. Came within a great reasonable time. You know what I'm saying? I think it came like a day early. I'm not sure, a day or two early. Not sure, but yeah. So this is the little mount I'm gonna make right now. You know what I'm saying? I just need to put y'all on something real quick. Where is here it is. Boom. So this will work. Let's get this settled. Yeah, cause so we're mounted on the little tripod. I'm gonna do some walk-arounds real quick, tell you, you know, what's going on. But for the dirt bike right now, for the Mobbing Hood videos, there haven't been any Mobbing Hood videos yet right now. It's a lot been going on, like a real lot been going on. So I exercise some of the stuff I say because there is a lot of stuff I can't say on the camera. So this one right here, it's probably just carburetor issues, which I know it is, because I can still crank it up one kick and it goes and does what it needs to do. But it does not have the power right now. I'm not sure if it's the spark plug or basically just the carburetor or something. Something's probably leaking air. Maybe. I'm not sure. I see all this gunk and debris, so I'm probably going to I am about to take the carburetor off, put some new seals and stuff like that, redo the carburetor on this bike because I do not want to lose this bike. This motor right here is actually pretty good. Just starting to get the hang of the wheelies on this bike, and we went ahead and we changed the gas tank as well on this bike. This is an aftermarket gas tank with just aftermarket, um, makeshift bracket basically. I had to, for this to fit, I had to kick the seat back a notch, which there was already a hole there, so it's all right. This makes it easier. I can still get to the gas and everything from here. You know what I'm saying? So it's not hard. What sucks is this piece right here that normally keeps it from coming all the way out came off, so that's an issue. But hopefully we don't lose all of that. I need to get me another grip. As you can see, this little rubber ring right here is starting to get bad, and that's going to start allowing gas to leak through the cap and the lid and everything. So it used to be worse than that, but the gas and the fume and everything is bringing it back to life. I put a little oil on it as well to bring it back to life just for a little bit, guys. I will go to AutoZone to get a bigger one. But as you can see, it's just been hanging out, chilling. Last thing I did to the bike was put the brand new inner tubes, front and back, and brand new tires. So we haven't really even got any street testing on this one yet. Still holding air, which is great because I had a problem with it before. This one's still holding air, so we're still good. This is probably what I'm going to take out tonight for all the shenanigans and stuff like that, so hopefully we can get that dirt bike running. This bike right here, there's been a lot of ups and downs on this bike, but I've been taking this bike out almost every other day, so about 3 times a week I try to take this bike out because I don't want it to sit and have carburetor issues, which I'm still thinking I may have to take it off, the carburetor off again one more time for the one more time and see how those are looking because I believe I thought I did a good job before, but I don't know. I still hear a little put, so it might be me having to adjust I guess like the floats, or not the floats, but yeah, I might have to adjust the floats and then do some carb balancing and syncing and stuff like that. So another thing, what is this? Okay, ground cable. All right, another thing too, we're about to clean up this battery area. It is kind of like everywhere. I do have my computer kind of loose right now, just looping around, moving around and stuff. I don't want it to be doing that. My fuse box still working, still looking good. I mean, minus some of the debris from me doing burnouts and stuff. So, um, as you can see, some burnout stuff. But yeah, we got the new battery in. So Mega Boost, which is great because this black and red is gonna fit perfectly on that bike. But this Mega Boost is gonna be perfect for that bike because this battery is super short. It's not that long or nothing like that. So the new battery is right here for the R1. Man, crossing fingers, dude. This is the third freaking battery we've tried to get for the R1. It's funny that we cannot find lithium, and every time we try to get lithium, they don't have them in stores or they're not in stock for the R1. So I'm not sure what other bikes are running that particular battery for the R1. Let me see. But this is the other battery. This is the one I got. Well, this is not the one. This is actually what he said was a I don't know. Hold on. What is this? Stuff in here? Battery acid fluid. Okay, so there's nothing else in there. It should have been like a pack of screws or something. There it is. There it is. Pack of screws. Okay, so whatever. I don't know why I just didn't throw it back in the box. Whatever. But yeah, that's in. And the battery's already fully charged, so it's a motocross battery, platinum. So my battery is a 12B BS, and I don't know what else to say from there. To go and probably strip some more of the fairing and stuff off, take the tank off and stuff like that. We're gonna get it ready for the timing chain tensioner that's gonna be coming in next week, probably Monday or Tuesday, and then preferably take the filter out of this bike because I haven't changed the filter, the air filter. I've changed everything on this bike but the air filter. So we're going to get that off and get situated. Did have a problem where this right here kept vibrating and loosening up. So we got that fixed because that would loosen all the way up and hit this and it would be vibrating. Then this right here started loosening up and started making noises. Almost lost this completely with the phone on there. Already dropped the phone off of this bike. I swear I drop a phone off of everything. So every bike, it doesn't even matter. So lately I've just been trying to get the R1 right and stuff like that. I just have my eyes set on this R1 being the ultimate bike that I want to do and build. Do everything I want to do to it. Already upgraded the radiator to the aluminum radiator. This is a big radiator, stupid big radiator. I had to do a lot of custom cutting and stuff like that to get that. I have a custom bracket at the bottom for this radiator to sit correctly. You can kind of see it right there at the bottom that it's sitting a certain way out, and all of that is actually supposed to sit a lot closer. So, and you can kind of see there, the fan's supposed to sit closer. We're not really even supposed to be able to see to the other side, so to speak. But I found out that there was no issues with the other fan or the radiator, or it wasn't leaking or anything like that. I guess I was pretty fed up with the bike. I took initiative to go ahead and order another fan and radiator and thermostat, as well as the ordering all the engine ice fluids, and they get pretty expensive. Like one of these, you see that, it's $22.95. That is more than the average coolant we buy for a car, for the BMWs, for any of those. Okay, so and I think that's what messed me up last time too, because I used some of the BMW coolant when I didn't have the motorcycle coolant, and I mixed a little bit up in there. So I could have got the temperature and settings and everything else like that wrong. So I could have been playing around with that. But right now the bike, it does what it needs to do. It's just it really doesn't cool that quick. It doesn't like idling and all that other stuff. So I'm thinking on the side of that note, like it's cooling off a lot better, but it's getting hotter quicker, and you can most definitely tell within the riding range of the bike. But once we get the battery situated, we get the time and chain tensioner, and preferably see if there's some more ins and outs up here or whatnot, because it's really kind of running here and there. You know what I'm saying? Like one day I'll be riding and it ride good, and the next day it ride sluggish. I don't have all my power, so I kind of something in between there is having the bike run a little raw. Hopefully we can get this stuff situated and everything, and get both bikes back on the road. We can get the Mobbing Hood videos going, because I have a couple of spots that most definitely was told that I should go check out. And I might have a friend that's also going to ride with me as well. So stay on the lookout for the Mobbing Hood videos. If you don't like or subscribe yet, go ahead and like and subscribe. Go ahead to the playlist and go to the Mobbing Hood. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and check those out if you haven't already. They're going to get a lot more lit, because we're going to start doing it in like different settings and stuff like that. And it's starting to get cold now, so there's going to be a lot of little activities. This one right here loves the cold, perfect for the cold. So this is going to be a good little bike to ride also to the mountains and stuff like that. But we need to get it more of on a trustable scale, because I don't trust it fully yet. I've taken it a couple of places, but I don't really trust it just that far yet. It's getting there though. It's getting there. Still got to get another back tire. You know what I'm saying? So that's probably that, and the time and chain sensor, and I think redoing my tranny is like the things left that's on my list, because I have that second gear pop out issue, which I normally just I can stay in second gear at certain times and stuff. It doesn't like the mid range, and I know when it's gonna do it and when it's not gonna do it. So I normally just avoid the second gear, and I just go from first, hit second gear a little bit, just so I'm not just jumping gears, and then I hit third. So I don't ride in my second gear as hard. So I have the jump out, but it's not as hard. When it hits hard, and it's liable to actually break your clutch ring. So be careful with that, because you will have like clutch slipping issues once you try to go faster on your bike and everything. Once I fixed the clutch and everything, I realized like I had so much bike and so much motor when I was like throttling, like it was ridiculous. But when second gear hit, it still kind of like nipped a little bit and stuff like that. So I definitely stay out of second gear, because I almost definitely thought that changing the clutch and stuff would have helped that out, but it helped it out a little bit, but it's still there. So I know that I have to go get the transmission redone, and we should be good from there. Like, and after that, the motor should be straight. Um, but yeah, let's try to get some of this work done. That's enough of that.